Meaning of injudicious.
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 Injudicious. The word injudicious refers to something that is unwise, imprudent, or lacking good judgment. People who behave in an injudicious manner may make poor decisions that can lead to negative consequences. For example, an injudicious business decision could result in financial loss, while an injudicious personal decision could strain relationships or lead to legal issues. Overall, individuals who exhibit injudicious behavior are seen as lacking in wisdom or common sense and may benefit from seeking guidance or advice before making important decisions.